Hey, my name is Richard. I work here at Doral Lincoln. I just wanted to show you the 2024 Lincoln Corsair and some of the details about it. So if you follow me, you're going to notice that we have the crystal red exterior with a beige interior. This is our standard model, but we have 3 levels to the vehicle. Nothing standard about it. Comes with all the safety features you're looking for, and it comes with all the luxury features you're looking for. So this is the perfect size car for a small family of 5. I always say to my clients that this is the perfect car for if you have 1 or 2 children, especially like newborns. You can fit both of the car seats in the back comfortably. This is a 4-cylinder, 250 horsepower vehicle, so you're going to get fuel economy and you're going to have power as well. This is also a great car for somebody who's looking for a starting luxury vehicle. It's starting around 40,000. On top of the fact, is going to also have the 40-60 split with the back seats. So not only can you tilt them, but you can lay them all the way flat and give yourself extra card room if you really needed to. So if this is a vehicle that suits you, we have different colors, different specifications, other models, so it can only get better from this model. And if you're looking to buy from me, my name is Richard again. You can call me at 786-720-3169.